Nowadays we use our little multi-tools more and more. I don't know how we survived all these years without them, but the problem with them is these teeth, they do break and blunten up, and the blades are quite expensive. So the easiest way of sorting that out: thin kerf stainless steel cutting blade on a disc cutter. Just cut it flat. Once you cut it off flat, then just again same blade and just cut the little slots in it. Would be easier if I don't have to hold the camera. And let's try it. Guess what? It works. Look. Look, it works. So I just saved myself a bit of money again. This is the blade that I sharpened about 4 times so far. Works every time, any blade. All you need is a thin kerf inox blade.